Here we have the integral of 5x divided by x squared minus 4x plus 3, and we want to use partial fraction decomposition to find this integral. And so the first thing we want to decompose this fraction right here. And so to do the decomposition, first factor the denominator. So this is 5x. And then x squared minus 4x. The factors are x minus 3 and x minus 1. And then rewrite this as some constant a dividing by the first factor, and then plus some constant b dividing by the second factor. So we have this fraction equal, and then to combine these two expressions right here, just do cross multiplication. So we have a times x minus 1 plus b times x minus 3. And then dividing by the product of the two denominators. Dividing by x minus 3 and dividing by x minus 1. So one more time, just do cross multiplication, a times x minus 1, b times x minus 3. And so we compare the expression on the left and the right. The two denominators are the same, and so the two numerators have to be the same. And then to figure out what a and b are, pick something that will make this factor 0. So we can let x be negative 1, because this equation is true for any x that works. So we let x be, is true for any x, and so we let x be 1, then 1 minus 1 is 0. And then to figure out what 8 is, we pick something right here that would make this factor 0. So we can let x be 3. So first, let x be 1. Then we have 5 times 1 equal to a. And then 1 minus 1, and then plus b, and then 1 minus 3. So now we have 5. 1 minus 1 is 0, and then 0 times 8 is 0. 1 minus 3 is negative 2, so we have negative 2b. And then dividing by negative 2, we have b is equal to negative 5 halves. And to figure out what 8 is, pick something for x that would make this factor 0. So we let x be 3. Then we get 5 times 1 at 3. And then a times, put a 3 here and then a 3 here. So we get 3 minus 1, and then plus b times 3 minus 3. So now we have 15, and then 3 minus 1 is 2, so we have 2a, and then this part is 0, because 3 minus 3 is 0. And then dividing by 2, and then we have a is equal to 15 halves. And so what it means that in the place of a, we have 15 halves. In the place of b, we have a negative 5 halves. And so the integral of this will be equal to the integral of the decomposition right here. And then we'll rewrite this as two separate integrals. So this will be the integral of 15 halves divided by x minus 3 dx. And then the integral of negative 5 halves divided by x minus 1, then dx. And then the 5 halves, we can move that to the front. And then this is negative 5 halves. And then we use this formula right here to get the integral of 1 divided by x minus 3. So 1 divided by x plus a, the integral is the natural log of x plus a. So this would be 15 halves, and then the natural log of x minus 3 minus 5 halves, and then the natural log of x minus 1, and then plus c.